Hi guys, this is Megan and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you 20 style ideas you can use using this plain white shirt. I know you've probably seen a lot of this on the internet already, pero wala akong masyadong nakikita for plus size and I'd like to do one. So for those who are wondering, I am a proud plus size girl. I'm a size 2XL or a US size 14 to 16. This shirt is from H&M and this is the only shirt I'll be using throughout this entire video. So if you want to see all the styles we'll come up with, let's get styling!
binigay mo na sa akin to?
Mahirap nagsasalita silang lahat dito sa bahay.
Binigay mo na sa akin to?
Tapos na kami mag-film. Itong naging photographer, videographer ko, si Jane of Tarzan. Meron kami malagubat na setup dito at meron mabulaklakin. Kasi na-cancel yung panagbanga. So, ayan. So, she brought panagbanga to Dagupan. Here's my brother.
Wow, guys, it's so cold.
It's so cold in the Philippines.
Sakit ay.
Ganito ang nagagawa ng mga house arrest dahil sa NCOV. Social distancing at its finest. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I upload new videos. So see you on the next video. Like and subscribe!